Today on Passion for Food, this is just a quick demo on how to cut a fresh pineapple. A whole fresh pineapple like this might seem a little intimidating, but it's actually really easy, so let's go ahead and get started. So first of all here, we just want to cut off the top and the bottom of the pineapple. Try not to waste too much pineapple, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Once you have that done, you can very clearly see the woody core in the middle. That's what we have to get rid of here. So what we want to do is lay the pineapple flat and cut straight down the middle of that woody core. Once our pineapple is Splitsville, we just want to do that again cutting right down the middle of that woody core. You may have to apply a little pressure to get through that skin. It can be a little thick sometimes. Once we have our quartered pineapple, it's time to cut to the core of the issue. And by that I mean cut off this bit of core. I tried to switch my lighting here to give you another look at the core, but you've seen it already. I don't know why I keep trying to show that to you. So we just want to lay the pineapple flat and just cut off that little bit on the end there. And of course we're going to repeat this with all of our quarters. Once we've been decored, you just want to split that quarter in half yet again. And if you were wondering why I left the skins on the pineapple, I'm about to show you. That's actually going to really come in handy. We're actually going to use the skins as we cut this to hold it together. That just makes it very easy to keep everything steady so we can get these slices as thin or thick as we want. I'm going quite thin here because I'm going to be using this for a pineapple upside down cake. Check out the video in the top right to see that. And you're just going to repeat that with each quarter. I'm only going to show you half here. I think you get the idea. And once we have that, it's time to turn them upright and slice the pineapples off the skin. Definitely try and be mindful of your fingers as you do this. Finger wounds and acidic pineapple juice are not a great mix, but I've yet to ever cut myself doing this, so I'm sure you'll be fine. And that's really all there is to it. So why in the world pay more for pre-sliced pineapple? That's just crazy. It only takes 2 or 3 minutes to cut your own and you can get exactly the sizes you want. I hope this quick demonstration has been helpful. If it has, give me a thumbs up below and consider subscribing and hitting that little bell to get notified of our weekly videos. This has been Graham with Passion for Food.